Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the remote and TV can actually talk. Remove batteries and replace them. Corrosion kills signals, so clean contacts if needed. Once done, test the IR emitter with a phone camera to see a faint flash. If you see it, the transmitter works. Make sure you are within 3 to 10 feet and there is a clear line of sight to the TV sensor. Also locate the remote code list or app. You will need codes to program. Now program the remote. Press and hold the setup or code button until the LED stays solid. This signals programming mode. Next, send the TV power command while cycling through codes or use automatic code search. When the TV turns off or responds, immediately press the store or enter button to lock that code. Test essential buttons, power, volume, input, and menu, because some codes only map partial functions. If buttons fail, re-enter programming and try the next code. Differences between brands matter. Finish with advanced checks. If the remote misbehaves, reset it by removing batteries and holding each button for 5 seconds to discharge capacitors and clear memory, then reprogram. For stubborn devices, use the learning mode with the original remote or manually enter codes from the manufacturer list because that maps functions directly. Finally, verify whether your remote is IR or RF. RF needs a hub. If none of this works,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.